Hello. In this example, we will explain how to add box SKUs to the last tab of the warehouse, which is also called the standard Cases and Pallets window. So the first step is to open a spreadsheet like the one that is attached to the example, where we will see a list of boxes, okay, with their dimensions, colors, codes, and descriptions. We will select these boxes, copy them, and then paste them onto the first table in the SKUs tab. When we open this window, we can click on the last tab, and that's the one from SKUs. We paste here, and we will see a list of boxes, each one with its own color and dimensions. We can now use these boxes that have been saved to calculate them on a pallet. So we go to New Data Sheet, Box on Pallet, open a new window, and we can check the dimensions here, the units. If they're, in this case, they're in centimeters, we just check the first pallet, select the first pallet, sorry. All right. And now we will drag one of the boxes onto the table. This one, for example. We drag it onto the table, and we should see the boxes here. The box here. We first calculate using the tools we calculate, and we should obtain 3 different pallets. The first one will have the boxes placed lengthwise. The second one, the boxes are transversal, and the third one, they are optimized. You'll see that they have a higher number of cases per layer than the first two. We can also go back and calculate a shipment. But first, we can also use this palette to create a product palette. Okay, so we select the one that we want to use. In this case, we're not using the best one. We're just using the one with pallets out lengthwise. And we can drag it back to the table. When we drag it back, it will be here. This palette will be used for all shipments. And if we just check the first box and the last one. Okay, so now, if we want to create a shipment, we can go change data and insert an amount, for example, 400. Okay, and we calculate the shipment, calculate the box shipment. When we do this, we will see that the first 2 boxes say saved, which means that we're using the exact configuration below, and the last one has the remainder amount of boxes. The first 2 pallets, sorry, say saved, and the last one will store the remaining boxes. It's 150 for the first one, 150 for the second one, and 100 for the last one. We can select these pallets and create a report. File, print report, and this report will show the 3 pallets with their drawings and descriptions. This report can also be saved. Thank you.